Hello, welcome everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how you can create an account to access St. Mary's College of Education website. So first of all, you have to be on the home page using our domain smacezm.com, which is just right here. Then from this side, if you want to go direct, it's either you come here from the staff login there. If you don't have an account, you click here where you can register your new account for you to be able to access. Then once you do, you register, you put your username here. Username, you can just put anything that is simple. For example, you can start with your first name. If you are Mwaba, you can say Mwaba as a username. Then of course you put the email address which you can use. In most cases, the email address which is accessible, which is being used, because once you register on this website, a password will be sent through your email address, and that password is the one that you're going to use for you to come and do the login here. Then the other method is you go back to the St. Mary's College of Education homepage. You go direct to profile. Once you click profile, okay, here once you click profile, you have two types of options. The first option is for those that are already registered and they just want to log in and access their courses. The second option is for those who haven't registered but they wish to access the website. So in this case, here you do the email address, you put at whatever it is, then .com, then you put a username which should be simple, Mwaba something, Mwaba Kenneth. Then of course you put the password, and then you register. Then if you also wish to become an instructor, of course you can always click there. Then once you finish signing up here, you register. Now you should be able to come here and log in. For example, if it's the first time I've created this account, I will log in using my username and password. If you want it to remain, you can click on remember, so that every time you log in, it is automatic, it saves your password there. Then you log in. Okay, so immediately you log in, you would notice that you have a portal here. So first time you have logged in on the website, and this is what you find. So from here you can play around with your profile. You can actually even see the quiz that you have. You can also order the courses. Here on the settings, the general settings, you can change how you want your profile to look like. So for example, I can change my first name, Pierre, for example. My last name, Kitatu. Then bio, I can do a bit of description of who I am. I'm a student of what. You can also put in the Facebook link, you can put in the YouTube link. After doing the savings, you save. Then you can also as well change the profile picture here, the avatar. You can change the profile picture here, you upload. Because you upload, you go, you check on which one, you click there. Once it's there, it open, you save. Then you can also as well change the password there. Then for those of you who wish to become teachers just after accessing the website, you come here in the profile. There's an option to become a teacher. There you can click and become a teacher. Then if you don't, you just wish to see all the courses that are available, you come here on programs and check all courses. So from this point, you should be able to see all the courses that are available on this website. And that's it. Okay, let's just check maybe the sample of how you can become a teacher. For those of you who want to become lecturers on the e-learning platform, you click on become a lecturer, become a teacher. Confirm your number. Let me indicate the message here to say, hello admin, I want to become a lecturer. You also indicate the course, then submit. So there it is, it's sent. It goes to the admin. So the admin will check the request and will accept depending on the profile that you see. So if you see that you are fit to be a lecturer, if you are fit, looking at the credentials that you provide in the email address, then you should be able to be admitted as a teacher. Thank you so much for following this tutorial. In the next tutorial, I'm going to teach you on how you can create content on the website. Thank you so much. Bye bye.